This video will show you how to replace the rear liftgate lift support on a Chrysler Town Country. You'll have two of these, one along each side of your rear liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now since we're removing the liftgate support, we do want to have something under here, so I'm just using a pull jack. You can also have a helper. After applying support, we can start the process of removing our liftgate support. Now as I mentioned, there is one of these on each side of the vehicle and the process will be the same. I'm on the driver's side here. On each end of the liftgate support, you're going to find that there's a metal locking tab. You can use a small pick. I like to use a small screwdriver. I'm going to come right underneath this locking tab and carefully start prying it out. Now while I'm prying this out, I'm going to pull away on that liftgate support. There we are. Same process for the upper hardware here. Just go ahead and pry out on that locking tab and we'll pull this out of place. There it is, friend. Prior to installing any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. Obviously, it's your vehicle. Clean it as well as you deem fit. We essentially want to make sure nothing's rotted or weak. Okay, now it's time for the installation here, so we want to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. We'll start up at the top. Line it up, press it on, listen for an audible click. After that audible click, attempt to remove it. It should not slide out of place. Same process for the lower aspect. Go ahead and line it up, press it on there. You can pivot this as necessary. That's secured as well. Now, as I mentioned, the process will be the same for either. If you plan on doing them as a pair, go ahead and do that now. After that, just go ahead and remove support from under your liftgate. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. Now, the next thing we want to do is just make sure we test the functionality. As you can tell, the liftgate does not come down. This is exactly what we want to see. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.